As in many other languages, Kazakh has numerals to count people and things, put things in order, or identify people or things. There are three common types of numerals, such as cardinal numbers showing quantity, ordinal numbers showing order, and collective numbers showing assemblage. Today's video is about these three types of numerals in Kazakh. Cardinal numbers are also known as counting numbers and used to count items. They tell us how many. Kazakh has lexical cardinal numbers for the units 1 to 9, for 10 to 90, for hundreds, and for thousands, and so on. And the cardinal numbers are relatively easy. They are cardinal numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. The names of the numerals from 11 to 19 are formed in the order opposite to that in English. The first element is on, the second element the number above 10. Therefore, they are like this: 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beginning with 20, all numbers are formed as in English. Example: 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, and so on. The cardinal numbers from 10 to 100 should be like this: 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 100. In Kazakh, hundreds is yüz and thousand is мың, and the formation of hundred and thousand as in English. Example: 200, 200, 300, 300, 2000, 2000, 3000, 3000, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000. Cardinal numbers in Kazakh are written as separate words. Example: 91, 269, 4512. The questions how many or how much in Kazakh is қанша or неше. These question nouns do not take plural endings. Example: мынау қанша кітап? How many books are there? Бұл 5 кітап. There are 5 books. Мынау неше адам? How many people are there? Бұл 9 адам. There are 9 people. Ordinal numbers are used to tell the order of things, so they show us level or position in a group. Kazakh ordinal numbers are formed by adding suffixes ыншы or ыншы, нышы, and нышы to the cardinal numbers, and the answers to question қаншасыншы or нешінші. The rules is that if the stem is ended in vowel, нышы or нышы is used. Otherwise, it should be ыншы or ыншы, depending on the last syllable of the stem. These suffixes correspond to English the. Example: алтыншы, sixth, екінші, second, тоғызыншы, ninth, бірінші, first. If the cardinal numbers consist of two words, Ordinal numbers are formed by adding suffix nsh, nsh, or nsh to the second element of the numerals. For example, 12, 12-nshi, 15, 15-nshi. But please notice it is 20-nshi. There is an extra s between stem and suffix. All other numbers are regular. Example, 25, 25-nshi. Collective numbers are used to present groups of people or things as a single unit. Kazakh collective numerals are formed with the help of the suffix au after back syllable and the eu after front syllable. In this case, the endings or of the numerals are dropped. There are 7 collective numerals in Kazakh. Bireu, 1 of them. EQ, 2 of them. Ushu, 3 of them. Turtu, 4 of them. Besiu, 5 of them. Altau, 6 of them. Jitiu, 7 of them. Examples for the usage of the collective numbers. Біздің үйге 2 адам келді. Біреуі Murat. 2 people came to us, one of them was Murat. Менің 5 балам бар. 2-і қыз, 3-і ұл. I have 5 kids, 2 of them are girls, 3 of them are boys. There is a summary of the cardinal, ordinal, and the collective numbers in Kazakh. This table shows the collective numbers. These are the ordinal and the collective numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.